Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Up-N-Runnin. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it for your notifications, and hit the like button. On today's episode, we're going to take a look at a 2008 Shelby GT500. The really cool thing about this car, it's only got 6,700 miles on it. It's a one-owner car, and it should be a lot of fun, so enjoy. I just picked up a 2008 Shelby GT500 Mustang. It's a one-owner car. It's got about 6,000 miles on it, and it's a really nice car. Not the typical car that we would feature, but it's a good performance car, so we'll definitely show it to you guys. Basically, all it needs is to get cleaned up. I'm going to go through it, make sure everything's good on it, and then we'll be selling it. So anyway, look forward to some more videos on it, and hope you enjoy it.
Get that other wood.
Barely get it off the trailer and then the wifey steals it. Now let's go take this for a drive and get all the rest of the water blown off of it. Alright guys, we're just going to take a walk around here so you can see everything. I think it's pretty much all cleaned up and ready for pictures. There's always got to be a bunch of noise every time you want to film anything. I guess life is just loud. I looked at the odometer, it's got 6,700 miles on it. Alright, these are the original Shelby wheels that came on that car when it was new. I cleaned them up a little bit. I've got a little more to do, but the air pressure is real low in them, so I'm going to go ahead and bring these back up to where they should be. £5. Alright, that'll do it. It's starting to rain. Alright guys, that's enough cleaning for one day. I'm tired of it. Let's get out of here. Let's go take a look at another car. Alright, this place is down this gravel road. It's amazingly beautiful though. Alright, here's that Buick we were looking at. It's a 73 Centurion 455. Sorry for the wind. If you like a big giant boat, these cars are awesome. It's got 84,000 miles on it. Hey guys, that's going to do it for this week's episode. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell for your notifications, and click the like button. Be sure to join us next week when we continue to take a look at the Shelby. We're just going to take it out for a little drive and have a little fun with it. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell right next to it for your notifications, and click the like button. I said it again, I did it again, the like button. Like.